In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Microsoft Edge keeps opening by itself. If Microsoft Edge keeps popping up every time you start your computer, it's usually because Windows is set to launch it automatically at sign in. The good news is, you can stop that behavior in just a few clicks using the built-in Settings app. I'll walk you through it clearly, explain what each screen means, and share a few helpful tips along the way so you know exactly what you're changing and why. First, open the Windows settings. Press the Windows key and the letter I on your keyboard at the same time. That shortcut opens the main settings hub for your PC, where you control apps, system preferences, and privacy settings. You'll know you're in the right place when you see categories like System, Bluetooth, and Apps. Next, select the Apps category. This is where Windows keeps options related to installing, uninstalling, and managing how your applications behave. Inside, look for the area that controls what runs when you sign in. Now choose Startup. Depending on your Windows version, it might be labeled Startup or Startup Apps, but it serves the same purpose. This page lists programs that can automatically launch when you log into Windows. Each entry has a simple on-off toggle. Turning something off here doesn't uninstall it, and it won't stop you from opening it yourself. It only prevents Windows from starting it for you in the background. Scroll through the list and find Microsoft Edge. If you have a long list, you can use the Sort By menu to arrange items by name or status, which makes Edge easier to spot. You might also see a Startup Impact label next to it. That's just Windows estimating how much it affects boot time. Once you've found Microsoft Edge, turn its toggle to Off. That single switch tells Windows not to launch Edge automatically when you sign in. This change applies to your current user account, so if multiple people use this PC with different accounts, each person can choose their own preference. That's all there is to it. The next time you sign into Windows, Edge should no longer open on its own. This doesn't remove Edge from your computer, it doesn't change your default browser, and you can still open Edge anytime you want from the Start menu or taskbar. You've simply stopped it from starting up without your say-so. Thanks for watching, and I hope this quick fix helps you keep your desktop tidy and your startup smooth.